Hi there! In this Cash Swarm AI review, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you generate traffic, leads, and commissions on autopilot using the power of AI. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Cash Swarm AI through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is Cash Swarm AI? Cash Swarm AI is a step-by-step training and strategy that teaches you how to create AI-powered traffic generators, digital assets that quietly pull in leads, affiliate sales, and even product sales without using funnels, ads, social media, or paid tools. It's designed for anyone who wants to build passive income streams without the typical tech hurdles. And you don't even need your own product or audience to get started. What's wild? These little traffic generators can be set up in just 10 minutes and they keep working around the clock. What's cool about it? You don't need to be tech savvy or have any experience. The training is newbie friendly and everything is broken down into bite-sized steps. You'll be creating high-value digital assets that do the selling and traffic generation for you. This isn't one of those systems that says 3 steps to millions. You still have to take action, but with this, you can actually start seeing results in days, not months. Here are some standout benefits. AI traffic generators. These simple assets pull in traffic and sales even while you sleep. No product needed. You can use the system to promote affiliate offers or build your list. No audience required. The strategy teaches you how to tap into other people's traffic. Multiple income streams. Build a list, sell the asset, or monetize with affiliate links. Set and forget system. Create once, then let it run passively. How it works. It's pretty straightforward. Step 1. Follow the training to build your AI traffic generator. Step 2. Connect it to something people already want, like a product or lead magnet. Step 3. Place it where the traffic is. Daniel shows you how to tap into other people's audiences. No funnel, no hosting, and no coding. Just follow the process and launch. Let's play a quick demo or overview clip.
Hey, this is Dave Espino, and welcome to Cash Swarm AI. I'm here with my longtime friend, Daniel Hall, who's not only an attorney and a nurse, but he gave that all up to become an online marketer and has been very, very successful doing that. Let's talk about Cash Swarm AI.
Yeah, thanks, Dave. I really, really appreciate it. Can't wait to dive in and share this.
So, what was the moment that made you realize that people desperately needed something like Cash Swarm AI?
Well, we noticed a big shift. People weren't just struggling to get traffic, they were burning money trying. That's when we realized the problem wasn't reached, it was strategy. And when we started using AI differently in a way that actually built our list and created, get this, instant cash, we knew we had something super powerful.
Yeah, and I've had a chance to see this strategy in action, and it's mind-blowing what it does. What's the most surprising result that your customers and students experience with Cash Swarm AI that they can't get anywhere else?
I'll tell you what, they were shocked when they realized that they're not just building a list, okay? They're getting paid to do it. I'll say that again. They're getting paid to build a list. So whether you're brand new or already selling, you could turn that list into real revenue with affiliate offers, digital products, even coaching programs. The AI, here's the best part, does the heavy lifting. They just plug into it and start seeing results.
That's amazing. Well, can you share your most impressive student transformation story and why now is a critical time for people to get started?
Absolutely. I could tell you that myself, personally, I've used this to generate well over $60,000 in just a few weeks, all
Wow.
from using this strategy. And just actually a little piece of this strategy that you're going to be learning, all from a list that was built using the strategy itself. This isn't just
Wow.
theory. This is working right now. I want to make sure that everyone understands. This isn't some, crap program that worked 3 years ago or 3 months ago that now we're trying to sell to you. This is what I am personally using in my business today to build my business. And the great thing about it is that you don't need to be a tech wizard to do it. As a matter of fact, if you can copy and paste, you could do this. If you could open and send an email, you could do this, because that's the extent of what you need tech-wise. This isn't just theory, it's working right now. That's the one thing that I want folks to understand. And with AI evolving fast, those who delay risk falling behind even further, while others are quietly stacking leads and generating potential cash.
Wow. Well, what's the number one thing that you think people should know about Cash Swarm AI?
Yeah, well, that's just it. This isn't just another lead tool. It's not. It's a full system that monetizes the audience the moment they join your list.
Yeah. And who would you say this is not for?
Well, anyone who wants everything done for them with zero action, you'll definitely need about 10 to 15 minutes to set it up. And that's about it.
Wow, that's amazing. 10 to 15 minutes just to set it up. And you're getting paid, actually. You're getting paid to generate leads. And as you've done really successfully, Daniel, you've turned these leads into thousands and tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. You can use this strategy to sell anything to anyone in any niche. So that's amazing. What would you say is the first result that new students typically see?
The cool thing about this is that they'll start seeing new leads and a trickle of income sometimes within the day when they activate this system. Yeah, very, very quickly. No promises, obviously. I'm not making any income claims, all of that. But honestly, this takes me back to 2007, 2006, when I first started in this business. It was much easier to generate leads, to build a list, build a community without all of the fancy, tech, and without, having to be some sort of a guru with ads. All of that's gone, right? This is done in a completely different way, using and leveraging AI like no one else is. And that's the great thing about it.
That's amazing. So guys, as you've seen, Daniel's had great success with this. You could turn this on in 10 to 15 minutes. You could start getting paid to generate leads, and you could then turn those leads into income in many different ways. So be sure to check out the page down below. You're going to learn all the details. In fact, you're going to learn even more ways that you can make money with this than just what we've talked about here. So check it out down below, and we'll see you on the inside.
Let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. Once you grab the main offer, here's what you'll see. OTO 1, Unlimited, unlock unlimited traffic generators and advanced strategies. OTO 2, DFY package, done for you traffic generators to launch even faster. OTO 3, high ticket partnering, tap into Daniel's high ticket promos and methods. OTO 4, reseller license, keep 100% of the profits and sell the system as your own. OTO 5, coaching and extra bonuses, advanced training and personal mentorship. Pick the ones that align with your goals. I always recommend at least the Unlimited and DFY if you're serious. What I like about Cash Swarm AI, it's perfect for beginners. Even if you've never made a dime online, you can build multiple income streams from one asset. It works without content, funnels, or social posting. Daniel proves it with real case studies and contest earnings. Have made over $40,000 in 2 weeks. What could be improved? It's not a magic ATM. You still need to follow the training and take action. Not ideal for those who want to build complex tools or apps. This is for fast, simple assets that attract traffic. Final thoughts. If you're tired of spinning your wheels, chasing trends, and trying to make complicated systems work, then Cash Swarm AI might be exactly what you've been waiting for. It's simple, proven, and fast, and it leverages AI in a totally unique way that most marketers are still sleeping on. Click the link below to grab it, and don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my Cash Swarm AI review. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next one.